Hello guys, this is Teja from ECE department. Today we are going to discuss brainstorming on flying cars. First of all, I would like to introduce my teammates Roshni from ECE department and Meghana also from ECE department. Flying cars. Flying cars are often used to explain how future would be. It seems like future is in front of us.
Flying cars provides door-to-door transportation by both ground and air. It provides minimum traffic pollution and it has lower emissions and which will free up space for all the cyclists and pedestrians, which will provide a good ground infrastructure and it
Yes,
reduces pollution.
yes. However, for these cars to hit the streets and the skies, it will take another year as it still needs to meet safety standards.
Yeah, flying cars helps us to minimize traffic pollution. In these days, in this generation, we have so many vehicles that makes many traffic pollutions and also causes accidents more. So, with the help of flying cars, we can reduce the accidents and the pollution may be also reduced. Lower emissions of carbon gases may also be caused because while driving vehicles, we may see many gases may be spread into the atmosphere. But with the help of flying cars, the pollution may be reduced, and it also helps us to get good environment.
Yes, the car can go
Yes,
from
Teja,
flight mode
I
to
agree with
drive
you.
within a minute and can take off and land in small airports or the highway. Those interested in taking it for a spin will need both driving license and a sports pilot certificate. Without these both, they can't take a flying car.
Yeah, Roshan, I agree with you. But apart from the advantages, there are so many disadvantages like if, for example, a car will crash in the ground, on the ground means it will land on the ground only. But if it will crash on the in the air means it will fall on the people and on the horses and it causes major damage to everyone.
Yeah, Meghana, not only crashing is a disadvantages, they can't carry so many passengers at a time because it can't load many weight in that. So it may be also a disadvantage and cost may be more for flying cars rather than the cars which are going in the road.
Yes, Teja, you are correct. Maintenance also takes high, and if any damages to repair it, it also takes more cost. It's it takes more money when compared to normal car. Flying car is more expensive, and we need to spend more money to maintain it. And if there is any damages to repair it, also it takes more money.
Yeah, if the damage occur in the air, it is very difficult to repair in the air, and also it causes if there are so many flying cars, it may cause noise pollution around around the locations there, and also it is very hard to drive in bad conditions. Like if the weather is bad, we can't drive in flying cars. This is the major disadvantages of flying cars.
And even in air it becomes very difficult if even if there are more vehicles means it will become very difficult to travel among flights and accidents may occur and it
Yeah.
will cause major damage.
Yeah, Meghna, but when compared to disadvantages, there are many advantages. We can travel, whether we can't travel to large distances using flying cars, but we can travel to shorter distances in a very short period of time. If we have any important works, flying cars makes us very easy way, and we can reach the place at the correct time.
Yes, it also helps us to free up the city roads. It takes less need for the ground infrastructures like road facilities. It takes less infrastructure of flying cars.
Yeah, Roshni, it also takes less fuel and journey is also very much quicker. And also other advantage is, if any patient is in a severe condition and there may be more traffic, or it may take more time to reach the hospital, then the flying cars are very, very useful for the patients who are at the last stage. We can reach, or we can reach to the hospital in correct time, and it will be very useful for saving a life.
Yeah, Teja, I agree with you. And there is another advantage that if anyone wants to buy a car which will travel on the road, and then the price will be very cheaper and anyone can afford it.
Yes, by this we can conclude it. Though there are advantages and disadvantages, the flying car can fly at speed of 100 mph and soar to an altitude of 10,000 feet. Flight-only modes are now available, with full air land version expected in 2022. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.